This weekend I was able to get an aviary built to put on the outside of the loft, so the birds can come out and get some sunshine if it would ever have any sunshine here. It's just standard 2x4 construction. I built it onto the loft using pocket screws, and I got some of it painted before, but I built it in the rain, is why I didn't get any film of it. But it'll be perfect for them for right now. The center section here, where the two unpainted 2x4s are, is going to be my door. I plan to just put hinges on it and just put a door to come down and cut out the center of that hardware cloth. That'll be a couple of months down the line, because all I have right now is my breeding stock, and it is the middle of December, so I don't plan to have any flying birds for at least a couple of months.
Good morning, guys. It's a crisp 29 degrees here in Middle Tennessee. I just come out to check on the birds, see how everybody's doing, and give them a little feed. Woke up this morning and came out a little earlier, and I had two birds in the top nest box. So apparently they're making that a home. Let me go ahead and give them some, clean out their food. They are very picky about what they're eating. That focus? So we'll talk about that in a second. I need to make sure their water is not frozen. Nope, the water seems to be good. Nothing froze overnight. So let's look at this food. They are very picky, and this is what they're not eating. They're not eating, I'm gonna get some light over here. As you can see, sometimes I feed them and they eat everything. Then other times I feed them and they leave the little seeds. They eat all the peas and stuff. I bought just a standard mix called Pigeon 1, and let me grab some of that. Focus, focus. And as soon as I feed them, the little bits of corn and the peas are immediately gone. But I think I'm gonna leave it out there a little longer for them today, and then see how they eat throughout the day. For being a bunch of stock birds, they're getting pretty picky. They won't come down and eat with me in here yet. They're getting close. But I'm not gonna worry about training these guys with food, because they're, like I said, they're gonna be my stock birds. If anybody knows if I can ever release my stock birds, if they'll rehome to this loft, please let me know in the comments if you've had any luck with that and anything special that you've done. Because I was just planning on releasing my offspring of these, and I didn't know. But as you can see, they're all pretty puffed up because it's pretty cold out here. So, well, I personally have to go work today. So we'll come back and check on these guys this afternoon.